Your car is hiding genius features that can save you money, prevent breakdowns, and even save your life. But most drivers will never know them. Why? Because they're buried in manuals or hidden in plain sight. Today, I'm unlocking 20 car hidden secrets that are lesser known, that even many experienced drivers don't know about, and mechanics won't tell you. Stick around till the end, as they are life-saving, and 99% of drivers have no idea. Hidden emergency fuel door release. If your fuel door gets stuck, especially on cold mornings or after a minor impact, you can often manually release it from inside the trunk. Look behind the trunk liner near the fuel door. Most modern cars have a manual override cable or lever tucked inside. Why it matters. You'll never get stranded at the pump or need to force it open. Volume follows speed. Many cars automatically adjust your stereo volume based on how fast you're driving. As road noise increases, the system subtly raises your music volume. Slow down, it drops back down. You can usually enable or adjust it in your audio settings. Why it matters. Clearer audio without distraction, especially on highways. Recirculation mode can make you sick. Keeping your AC on recirculation mode for too long can cause oxygen levels to drop slightly, leading to drowsiness. It also causes moisture buildup and fogged windows in humid or cold weather. Switch to fresh air mode every 15 to 30 minutes for better airflow and alertness. Why it matters. Long drives plus stale air equals highway hypnosis. You can reset some dashboard warnings yourself. Modern cars allow DIY resets for things like oil change reminders, tire rotations, or battery disconnects, usually via ignition key cycles plus button presses. Search for your car's model and system reset procedure. It's faster than waiting in a service line. Why it matters. No more paying a dealer $60 to press 2 buttons. Snowflake warning light. That little snowflake on your dash? It's not cute, it's dead serious. It lights up when outside temps drop near freezing. Black ice is likely, and unlike rain or snow, you won't see black ice until it's too late. If that light's on, slow down quickly. Built-in side mirror defrosters. Foggy side mirrors on a cold or rainy day. You don't have to wipe them by hand. If your car has mirror heating, it's probably hidden in the mirror adjustment switch. Push past L or R or find the rear defrost button. It often powers the mirrors too. Fog clears in seconds. Safer lane changes. Hidden cabin air filter that everyone forgets. Your car has a cabin air filter, separate from engine air filter, behind the glove box. And if you've never changed it, it's probably gross. This filter affects AC performance, odor, and air quality. Why it matters. Cleaner air, better defogging, fewer allergies. Quick trick to know, fuel cap side. You pull up to a pump, guess the wrong side, and now you're the awkward one backing out while everyone watches. What pros know? On your fuel gauge, there's a tiny arrow next to the pump icon. That arrow points to the side your gas cap is on. It's on 90% of modern cars. Fast, easy, and it saves you the gas station shuffle. Blind spot monitoring guardian. Blind spot systems use radar to warn you when a car's hiding in your no-see zone. If the light flashes and you hear a beep while signaling, abort that lane change. It's not just a feature, it's a guardian angel in traffic. The AC Max button also acts as a dehumidifier. If your windows are fogging up and you're tempted to use heat, try cranking AC with recirculation off. The AC removes moisture from the cabin air. Why it matters? Clears foggy glass faster than heat, especially in rain or humidity. Dead remote battery backup start. Remote key fob not working? Battery's dead? Most people panic, but smart drivers know most modern cars use passive RFID backup tech. Just press the key fob directly against the start button. The car senses the chip and starts. No battery needed. Don't wait 30 minutes for roadside help when you can start in seconds. Adaptive cruise control mode. Set your speed and your car will automatically adjust based on traffic ahead. It slows down, stops, and speeds back up, all while maintaining a safe distance. Great for long trips, commutes, or stop-and-go madness. It's not self-driving, but it's the next best thing. Rear seat angle adjustments are often hidden. In many SUVs and crossovers, rear seats recline slightly, but there's no obvious lever. Look at the side hinge or under the seat for a release pull. Passengers will thank you. Why it matters. Road trip comfort just got better. Headrest can survive you in emergencies. Trapped in a sinking car or wrecked with no exit. Pull out your headrest. Use the metal prongs to smash the corner of your side window. It'll shatter fast. Built-in escape tool, no glass breaker needed. Secret hidden storage compartments. Look under the seats, in trunk floors, behind the climate controls, or inside the center console. Many cars hide small compartments perfect for stashing cash, documents, or emergency tools, perfect for travelers or anyone parking in sketchy areas. Backup camera lines can adjust with steering. In some cars, the guidelines on your reverse camera screen move with the steering wheel. If they're fixed, you may need to turn on dynamic guidelines in the settings. Why it matters. Smarter parking, especially in tight urban spots. Motion parallax visual judgment. Things close to you blur by fast. Distant objects move slowly. That's motion parallax. And pro drivers use it to judge speed, depth, and timing without a second thought. Want smoother merges, faster lane decisions, and better spatial awareness? Train your eyes to use it. It's how seasoned drivers react faster than rookies. Brake override system saves you. In most cars made after 2010, if the gas pedal is stuck due to a floor mat, mechanical error, etc., pressing the brake hard will override the throttle and bring the car to a stop. This is a safety system not often advertised. Why it matters. It can stop a runaway car instantly. Check engine light. That scary amber glow could be something simple, your gas cap. If it's loose or cracked, your fuel system freaks out. Twist until it clicks. Wait a day. If the light turns off, you just saved $100 plus in diagnostics. Still on? Now you check the codes or visit a pro. Sun visor extender. You probably already flip your sun visor to the side, but did you know many visors slide outward to block that annoying beam near the rearview mirror? Why it matters. You block more sun. No need for sunglasses in half of your commutes. You just unlocked 20 powerful secrets and tricks to drive smarter and stay safer. But what if your own oil change mistakes are silently ruining your car engine? Click here for the next video, 12 deadly oil change mistakes that mechanics never tell you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your car running smoothly. Comment below with your thoughts or any oil change tips you swear by. We'd love to hear from you. Let's keep your car and your wallet healthy. See you there.